Hello students, good afternoon to everyone. Myself Mrs. Priya Lad from Shet Vidya Mandir English High School, Maharashtra Board, Vasai East. Today we are going to learn Standard 10th entire Sanskrit. Lesson number 5. Sa eva paramanuhu means that itself is a parmanu. Parmanus are invisible, that is, they cannot be divided, they are eternal and come together in different ways. A Parmanu forms the basis for all material existence. Sage Kanad suggested that everything can be subdivided till one obtain the smallest entity called Parmanu. Okay. In this lesson, we learn more information about Parmanu. Let us start with the introduction of this lesson. विश्वस्य उत्पत्तिविषये नैके सिद्धान्ताः प्रतिपादिताः. सिद्धान्त means theory, प्रतिपादिताः to propounded or put forth. There are several theories propounded regarding the creation of the universe. नैके प्राचीनाः सिद्धान्ताः कालवशतां गताः, नैके नूतनाः च वैज्ञानिकैः स्वीकृताः. स्वीकृताः means accept and कालवशतां गताः means outdated or rejected. Many ancient theories became outdated and were rejected, and several new theories were accepted by scientists. Atom इति शब्दः सर्वेषां सुपरिचितः एव. We all are familiar with the word atom. आधुनिक विज्ञानशास्त्रे atom इति मूलकारणं द्रव्यस्य. Modern scientists regard atom as the basic unit that make up all matter. स एव एलिमेंट इति मन्यते, and this is the element. Okay. प्राचीन शास्त्रे तु परमाणुः निर्मितेः मूलकारणम् इति कथितम्. However, in ancient scriptures, a parmanu is regarded as the fundamental cause of creation. परमाणुः वैशिष्ट्यानि महर्षिणा कनाद महोदयेन वैशेषिक दर्शने कथितानि. Maharshi Kanad put forth the characteristics of Parmanu in the Vaisheshik Darshan. अस्मिन् विषये अधिकं संशोधनं शक्यम्, and this can be researched further. Okay students, here we know that there are many different types of atom, each with its own name, mass and size. These different atoms are called chemical elements. Now we turn towards the lesson. This lesson is a conversation lesson. We see here conversation of the one boy with his father. The boy name is Arnav and he want to know more information about the Parmanu. He asks to his father and father explained the concept of the Parmanu to him with various examples. Now I start our lesson with Sandhi Vigraha and other grammar part. First, Arnavah Japakusumam Gruhitva Pravishati. तस्य पिता विज्ञानस्य प्राध्यापकः. सः पुस्तकपठने मग्नः. तस्य पार्श्वे उत्पीठिकायां सूक्ष्मैक्षिका वर्तते. In first sentence, गृहीत्वा is a त्वान्त अव्यय, पूर्वकालवाचक धातुसाधित त्वान्त अव्यय of the basic root ग्रह, which is from 9th class. अर्णवः वदति, पितः अस्माकम् उद्यानात् जपाकुसुमम् आनीतं मया. Verb आनीतं, त प्रत्यय form of the basic root a plus नीनय. Then कियन्तः सूक्ष्मः तस्य परागकणाः. In this sentence, we find out the Visheshan Vishesha Sushmaha Paragakanaha. Next, Pita Vadati Sukshmekshikaya Pasya. Pasya, lotlakar of the basic root Drusha Pasya. Tesham Kananam Rachanam Api Drashtum Shaknoshi. Drashtum, Hetvartak Dhatusati Tumantavve of the basic root Drusha Pasya. And Shaknoshi, Lat Lakar of the basic root Shaka, which is from 5th class, 5th PP. Arnavaha Tatha Karoti. Karoti, Lat Lakar of the crew root. Pita Vadati Kim Drushtam Tvaya. Drushtam, Ta Pratyay, basic root Drusha Pasya. Arnavaha Vadati Pitaha Adbhutam Tat. Sushmakaneshu tasya angani drushyante. Drushyante karmavacham kriyapad in lat lakar, which is basic root has a drushapasya. Pita vadati arnav etani pushpasya angani tvam sukshmekshikaya drashtum shaknoshi. Again drashtum tumantavve shaknoshi lat lakar. परंतु एतत् विश्वं परमाणुभ्यः निर्मितं. Verb निर्मितं ta pratyay of the basic root nira plus ma, which is from the 2nd class. Okay, so 2nd PP. Te paramanavah tu sukshmekshikaya api na drushyante. Arnavah vadati परमाणुः नाम किम्? पिता वदति Astu Kathayami. Astu, lot lakar of the basic root asa, and Kathayami, lat lakar of the basic root Katha. Mushti matrana tandulana mahana satah anaya. Verb anaya in lot lakar basic root a plus ninaya. And in this sentence also we find out the Visheshan Vishesha Mushti matrana tandulana. अर्णवः वदति तथेति उक्त्वा पाकगृहात् तण्डुलान् आनयति. This is an action done by the Arnav, which is shown in bracket. Tatheti sandhi tatha plus iti. Uktva twanta avyay of the basic root vacha. Anayati lat lakar. Swikarotu bhavan. Swikarotu lot lakar and chvi roop of the basic root swa plus kru. Pita vadati adhuna imam tandulam vibhaja. Vibhaja lot lakar basic root v plus bhaja to divide. Arnavah vadati tat kiyana laghuhu asti eshah. Asti lat lakar pashyatu एतस्य भागद्वयं यथा कथमपि कृतं मया. संधि यथा कथमपि यथा कथम plus अपि. And verb pashyatu in lot lakar. Krutam ta pratyay of the basic root kru. Next, pita vadati itopi lagutaram bhagam kartum shakyate va. Sandhi itopi. Itah plus api. Avagraha sandhi where we change O into visarga. Kartum. Okay, verb kartum is a tumanta avyay of the basic root kru. Shakyate karmavacham kriyapad in lat lakar. Okay students, we take this much paragraph for translation. Now I start the translation of this paragraph. Arnavah chapakusumam gruhitva pravishati. Arnav entered, taking a shoe flower. Tasya pita vijnanasya pradhyapakah. His father is a science professor. Sah pustak pathane magnah. He is engrossed in reading a book. Tasya parshve utpitikayam sushmekshika vartate. There is a microscope on the table next to him. Children, here we find out the one word Magnaha. Magnaha means engross. This word expect the Saptami Vibhakti of the word that indicate engross in what. So here we find out the word Pustak Pathane, which is Saptami Vibhakti of the basic noun Pustak Pathan. And the second word is Parshva. This is a indeclinable, Avyay. Parshva means on the side or next to. Avyay Parshva expects the Shashti Vibhakti of the word that indicate on side or next to whom or what. Okay, next sentence. Arnavah vadati Pitah asmakam udyanat chapakusumam anitam maya. Father, I have brought a shoe flower from our garden. Kiyantah sushmaha tasya paragakanaha. Kiyantah, how many? Paragakanaha, polar grain. How small are its pollen grains? Pita vadati sushmaik shikaya pashya. See through a microscope. Tesham kananam rachanamapi drashtum shaknoshi. You will also be able to see their arrangement. Arnavah tatha karoti. Arnav does so. Pita vadati kim drushtam tvaya. What did you see? Arnavah vadati Pitah adbhutam tat. Father, it is amazing. Sushmakaneshu tesham angani drushyante. Its parts can be seen. Amites, the minute grain. Pita vadati Arnav etani paragakananam angani tvam sushmekshikaya drashtum shaknoshi. Arnav, you can see the parts of a flower with a microscope. Parantu etat vishvam paramanubhyah nirmitam. However, this world is created from paramanus. Te paramanavah tu sushmekshikaya api na drushyante. Those paramanus are not visible even through a microscope. Arnavah vadati parmanuhu nama kim. What is parmanu? Pita vadati astu. All right. Kathayami. I shall tell you. Mushti matrana tandulana mahanasatah anaya. Bring a handful of rice grain from the kitchen. Okay, here mahanasatah means kitchen. Arnavah vadati tatha iti uktva pakagruhat tandulana anayati. This sentence is a action. Saying all right, he brings rice grain from the kitchen. Swikarotu bhavan. Take this, respected one. Pita vadati adhuna imam tandulam vibhaja. Now break this rice. Arnavah vadati tat kiyan laguhu asti eshah. Father, how small this is. Pashyatu etasyam bhagadvayam yatha katham api krutam maya. See, I have somehow made it into two parts. Pita vadati itah api lagutaram bhagam kartum shakyate va. Is it possible to make it into even smaller parts? Okay students, here we completed our translation of this paragraph which we have taken in this video, and the remaining we will do in next video. Now I attach here the grammar part about Shabdanyanam related with this paragraph. The first, glossary, Shabdarthaha. Second, Dhatusadit Avyani. Third, Vibhaktanta Padani. And fourth, Sandhi Vigraha. Okay students, revise this paragraph very well and try to solve the question and answers which is shown in Bhashabhyasaha, the exercise of this lesson. Thank you so much.